Today I have the story of a man who was blind for 13 years. No one discovered what his problem was and why he could not see. His vision was recovered within 2 minutes of laser. This is after 13 years of not seeing with that eye. This is how it went. Now, this man was blind, and everyone thought it's because of the corneal opacity. Now, the cornea is supposed to be a clear structure, whereas this portion here had become white. We could not see the pupil. The pupil, which is supposed to be in this area, was hidden behind this area. And that's the reason why light was not passing through the pupil and falling on the retina. We had seen the retina through an indirect ophthalmoscopy and it looked all right. And what we did for this man is we did a laser treatment to pull the pupil down into the zone where the cornea was not involved. In this area, as you can see, the cornea is clear. So now light started passing through this area and falling on the retina. This man started seeing instantly within 2 minutes of laser. So there can be different causes for vision loss. We need to assess clearly what the reason for his vision loss is and treat accordingly.